I happen to believe that the contraction of il y a into ya in conversational French is pretty much universal among the French, meaning it's quite rare to hear people say il y a instead of just ya. Ya can be spelled as one word, Y-A attached, ya. It's always one syllable, not iya, it's ya. And in most cases, il y a means there is, there are, but it's also the French equivalent of ago when it's followed by a time expression. For example, il y a 20 minutes means 20 minutes ago. The il of il y a is just not needed if you're trying to speak fast. So every time you hear someone say ya, it's very safe to assume it's a contraction of il y a. So the sentence il n'y a pas de problème, there is no problem, can be pronounced y a pas de problème. Y a pas de problème. There's no problem. No problem. And even y a pas de blême. Not a problem. All good. No worries. Y a pas de blême is very informal though, just so you know, it's very casual. Il n'y a pas de quoi is the equivalent of do not mention it when someone thanks you. Il n'y a pas de quoi, as in, there is no reason to thank me. Y a pas de quoi is the fully contracted form, so it becomes the equivalent of don't mention it in conversational French. Y a pas de quoi. Y a pas de quoi.